So here's how you can turn off privacy report on a Safari using your iPhone or even iPad. And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the point is that when you go to the new tab within a Safari, you might be greeted with a privacy report, but you can easily turn it off by clicking on the little edit button at the bottom of the list. So if you have like more things showing up like your favorites or bookmarks or whatever, you'll have to scroll through it and get to the bottom. Tap on the edit, as I said, and the privacy report has its own toggle there. So you can turn it off, meaning that you will not see that every time you open up the new tab. So you can turn it off, or even if you want to see it, but perhaps want to make it less prominent, you can drag it down, meaning you reorganize the other things and perhaps decided to show the bookmarks and favorites first and the privacy report somewhere to the bottom. But as I said, you can also turn it off completely and it's not going to appear. Keep in mind that it's just the report, and it doesn't mean that the Safari will not perform the privacy things anymore. It's just not going to let you know about it when you open the new tab. So that's what you needed to know about it. Let me know if you managed to find it on your iPhone or iPad. Subscribe for more quick and straight to the point tutorials like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.